In this video, I'm going to show you where to find and use coupons for Pizza Hut. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, I'm just going to jump straight to the video. I'm going to open up my web browser on my device. I'm going to head on over to Google, and now from here, I'm going to type in coupon code for Pizza Hut. Once I've done that, I'm going to go hit enter. And now if I scroll down, I've got a few different options I can use. I can go to Frugal Feeds, Oz Bargain, etc. But Coupon Nation, one I like to use is one from couponfollow.com. So it says here save up to 15% with these current Pizza Hut coupons. You can also use RealTellMeNot as well. So any one of these third-party websites will work. You're just going to make sure the coupon code isn't expired. So as you can see, I'm inside Coupon Follow. So I've got $13 with code. Save 15% off any purchase, save 20% off. It says it's verified, 50% off, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use the save 20% off. And now here's the code here called DV. So I'm going to copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Pizza Hut to activate that 20% off. You can also click on redeem at Pizza Hut, and then that will send you straight to Pizza Hut. And then when you make your order, the 20% off coupon code will be applied to your order.